Okay, we come to the last step, step number 4. This is the goodwill ratio, or calculating the payback period. This is taking the elements of the previous steps and actually calculating a ratio to actually determine, is it a good business or a bad business? So this is where you get to evaluate, is it worth my time or not? So, to determine whether the business is worthwhile purchasing, we need to calculate this one ratio, the goodwill ratio. So we take the amount of goodwill, so this is from step number 2, divided by the super profit from step number 3. And this will come out to be a number. So I've got an example there, 2.54. Now, that's just a plain old number, that's fine. What this means is that that number there, it's 2.54, means it's 2.54 years. This gives you the number of years that the business will have to earn for the owner to pay back the extra they paid in goodwill. So remember, goodwill is an extra you have to pay on top of the value of the assets, and super profit is something extra you earn that you would normally earn. So the payback period is just how many years it is for the goodwill to repay itself. So we've got a bit of a category here. If the payback period is 3 years or less, then it's generally a good business to buy. That means that it's generating a good profit, a good super profit. Yep, go and buy it. But if the ratio comes out at more than 3 years, then generally it's not a good business to purchase. Now there might be some elements that might be good, or you could change the business somehow, but the risks go up. So the more this is, yeah, you should probably not buy this business at all. Okay, so now you can actually give it a practice. There's an example exercise there called Terrific and Taraniki. Try out the 4 steps, see if the cafe is worthwhile buying or not. And questions down the bottom. Is it worthwhile buying? Why? And would you like to own this business? Now, as I said before, this is just one method of evaluating a business. Trying to find the payback period and then coming to one ratio. There are many other ways of determining whether a business is worthwhile purchasing or not. So you just need to be aware that if you're getting into this realm, accountants, we can actually analyse many businesses and actually give good advice. And talk to an accountant before you actually sign up, and it will actually be worth your weight in gold. So I hope this has been helpful, especially if you're getting into wanting to run your own business, giving you some ideas of places to look, giving you some ideas of things to look for in a good business to buy, giving you one method that you can use if you really want to, but ideally you'd have an accountant on board as well that can actually give you some professional advice as well. Because if you're getting into business, you do need a good team around you. Okay, thanks very much, and this is the last video, so see you later.